Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Retirement Trades, and let's get right to it. The market is red again. Let's see, it was up a little bit, and we definitely were making some progress earlier, turned around. I'm a little late on this video this afternoon because I was actively trading one of my larger accounts. I was doing very well until the tides turned, and now it's, probably end up flat for the day or, not as green as I was earlier, but oh well, that's how life goes sometimes. But anyways, let's take a look at the portfolio and see what we got going on. AMD, the bane of my existence in this portfolio, but I'm hoping to get a decent little pop on that because I have a funny feeling Nvidia is going to report decent revenue and probably give us some good projections later on when they report after the market closes. So right now, AMD's 104, 105. We are doing okay on these two calls we got, to be honest with you. Let's take a look at just rolling this one up just to see while we're at a lower price, it might be a little bit easier to do. So what do we got here? We're 120. Let's see here. Let's bump it up a couple of bucks and see what happens. 5 cents. We go out an extra time frame here to March 14th. We can get a 12-cent credit. What about 23? 8-cent credit. How about 24? 5-cent credit. What are we going to do? We go to 125. We can still get 3-cent credit. So we go out a week and we can go up $5 on that call and collect 3 cents. That sounds like a win to me because if AMD does come out of its shell, that will net a $500 gain at some point down the road. So, or a potential $500 gain. So let's send that off. 3 whole cents. Let's take it. And there we go. We got filled. So let's pop on over to the spreadsheet. Here's AMD. We were talking about the 120 call we have open here. And today we have rolled that call. And we held that a whole 2 days. And let's just pop open this email here so I can get the correct. Okay, so we bought that back at negative 0.16, and today we have sold a new call for expiration of 3/14, and let's say 125 call now, one contract, and we got 0.19, 19 cents on that. So doesn't seem like a big gain, but bumping that from the 120 call to the 125 call gives us a little more room for error. And I do have faith in AMD. It's just going to take time. So let's go back over and see what else we got here in the portfolio. I like that 125, 125, but we got a put for 120, and the long-term leap was 115. So finally, we have the put and the leap below our calls. Okay, so that could turn out very well eventually. Eventually being the optimal word there. So, all right, let's look at Carnival. Carnival is up 22%. We made 39 on the 175. What does the chart look like? They're at 2402 right now. We're in the money, but we're making money. It was actually doing quite a bit better earlier today. It was up the high 24s, but that's pulled back. That seems a little odd to me. I mean, to be actually, we're in the money. I guess, what this up 22% is an extrinsic value, because intrinsic value, we're down below. We get a 25 put. It's at 24 now, so we're definitely in the money, but there's enough extrinsic value where we could take $37 right now if we wanted to. I'm going to consider that really because of the shaky market we got going on here. I mean, we're getting a little bit beat up on the buying power. We've still got to manage this whole Mara mess. Mara's down because Bitcoin's down. I will say, I mentioned a number of videos back that I had sold half of my Bitcoin position when it was at $109,000. Well, overnight I had a buy order in, and I bought back that, or let's just say I put that money back to work into Bitcoin at $86,000. So that was a $23,000 savings on half of that position. So I now have a lower cost basis in my Bitcoin. It's not tied to this account at all, and you're probably not interested, but I just wanted to share because I did share when I had sold it. So, okay, so SOXL or SOXL. Let's take a look at that. Man, we're down 92% on that. Brandon, this one hurt, buddy. Good news is we have time with that. So, oh, look, we're in the money, we're out of the money. We're in the money, we're out of the money. It's 26.03. We have 9 days on that. What does the chart look like? Well, look at that. We're actually had a little bit of a gap up and a green candle working today. So I think we'll work our way out of that one just fine. Okay, let's take a look at this Carnival. Hey, it's up $40 now. Let me guess, the market done a little bit of a bounce since we started this video, because looks like it's doing, yeah, it has come back just a little bit. That's good news. So let's see here. Carnival, $40 out of the 175. Frees up some more buying power possibly. Let me look at that chart. Let's see. Well, it wasn't that long ago, early 25, 2 months ago, that Carnival was, oh no, that's not Carnival. That's, okay, Carnival. There we go. Okay, yeah, no, that's at pretty much the lows. I feel good about that position. The market is not going to stay down. I mean, we got 9 days on that. We can roll it one more time if we have to, but I'm not too concerned about that. I don't really want to shop through the list today. I might see something I want, and I don't want to get tempted because we really don't want to make this any thinner. We're having a decent day here. We're up 175. The account got absolutely destroyed yesterday. Basically, it was down, I think, $1,100-$1,200 just yesterday for the day. So it's going to be a really short video. We're just going to talk about what we did. We rolled AMD. We considered selling Carnival for the short profit, but to be honest with you, I think that's going to be just fine the way it is. SOX, I think, will bounce back. If nothing else, we push these out another week, and I think both of those will come back in that period of time, unless the market continues this ridiculous red slide. But other than that, if you guys take a minute and like, share, subscribe, all that fun stuff really helps out the channel a lot. If you're really interested and you want to talk to some of us behind the scenes, join the Discord. I always put a link in the description below. If that link is not valid, go to the channel description, the main channel page, and I'll try and keep a current link there all the time because Discord has those links expire on a regular basis. So not sure why they do that, but it's annoying, but we work around it. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy the rest of your week, and I'll catch you all on Friday.